Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce maintenance costs with AWS, complete guide step by step clearly. Understanding AWS is the first step in leveraging its potential to reduce maintenance costs. Start by assessing your current infrastructure and identifying costs associated with maintenance. Next, consider migrating to a cloud-native architecture. This allows for greater flexibility and scalability, reducing the need for constant hardware upgrades. Utilize AWS services like EC2 for scalable compute power. Choose the right instance types to optimize cost and performance. Implement auto-scaling to adjust resources based on demand. This reduces costs during low demand periods while ensuring availability during peak times. Leverage AWS Lambda for serverless computing. This eliminates the need to provision and manage servers, further lowering maintenance costs. Explore AWS managed services such as RDS for databases and S3 for storage. These services handle patches, backups, and scaling, reducing your operational burden. Monitor your spending with AWS Cost Explorer. This tool helps analyze cost patterns and identify areas for optimization. Consider using reserved instances or savings plans for predictable workloads. These options can provide significant discounts compared to on-demand pricing. Incorporate AWS Trusted Advisor for best practice recommendations on cost optimization. Regularly review your resource usage and shut down unused or underutilized services. Implement tagging for better resource tracking and cost allocation. This practice enhances visibility and helps pinpoint areas where you can save. Finally, provide training for your team on AWS cost management. Educating your staff helps embed cost-conscious culture within your organization. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.